So if you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located at wordly41.gumroad.com. And basically, how did I make $12,792 just trading a couple of Amazon call options? So basically looking at Amazon on 320, right? So let's see. And I basically used the daily chart on this, if I recall. So 320. So basically on 320, right? Or actually, did I? Or I think I used the 30-minute time chart. Hold on. And this is probably gonna be a pain, but so 1207 320, and I hate that this thing goes back. $320. Okay. At 1207. So this candle right here. So basically, I bought a couple of Amazon call options as soon as it landed on the 180-day moving average, and then from there I bought some more at 1211, then at 1245. Basically the next candle that you see, which is, I don't want to go away, I don't want to move it, because if I do, it just goes away. But basically 1245, let's see, which is this candle right here. So as soon as I saw that it broke below the 180-day moving average, I bought more Amazon call options. And basically I was just trying to buy Amazon around support level around 193, 194, right? And basically throughout the day, you can see that, Amazon had a steady decline throughout the day, and basically used that support level around 194, 193. And basically from there, on March 24th, I sold out the position. And let's see. Yeah, March 24th on a Monday, I sold out my Amazon call options, and basically that is how I made $12,792 just trading a couple of Amazon call options. So this was a longer trade. This was more of a swing trade, you could say. So it did take a couple days for it to be in the green. And where do I see the stock market going from here? So you can obviously tell that the overall stock market has been in a steady decline ever since Trump stepped into office, and then pretty much he's been doing his tariffs. He did release his tariffs just yesterday, and they took it into effect last night. And basically, anyways, it's just been affecting the overall market, because it's basically indicating that if these tariffs are set in place now, that's basically gonna be it's just gonna make everyday living be a little bit harder now for the average people. So if you go buy groceries, buy a new car, or you want to buy your everyday products, right? That stuff is just going to be a little bit more expensive now than originally. So it's just going to basically make that stuff a lot more harder for the consumer to buy. And if that if that's the case, it's probably going to bring a whole recession towards the economy, because people are going to be limited to spending their money, and they want to instead of spending their money, they want to save their money instead. So that's probably going to bring a certain recession, most likely by the end of this year, if not more earlier, through during these months. So we'll have to see what happens. Pretty much it's pretty bad that's that the stock market is declining. But if you're a long-term investor, right, this is the time that you want to take advantage of stocks. Stocks always fluctuate. They always, go up. They always go down. And you know the saying that everything that goes up must come down. Everything that comes down has to go up eventually. So if you're, a long-term investor, obviously this is the time that you should be, I guess you should be investing in a way, because if within, let's say you invest into one of the Magnificent Seven stocks, or really any other, mega cap stock that's out there that you feel like is a good deal right now, probably in the next 5 years that that investment that you invested today could be a big return within the next 5 years. And basically I want to talk about also the crypto market as well. The crypto market has just been in a downfall. It's just been in a downfall. Specifically Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been holding pretty good. It hasn't been affected by the whole tariffs and whatnot. That's economic stuff that's going around in the world. But in a way, it is kind of affected. So in a way, right now, Bitcoin is hovering around this range of in the 80,000 range. So over the long term, I do feel like this could be a potential sign that, if Bitcoin is down right now, there's a possibility that, once people start catching on that, okay, most of these, stocks, cryptos are on sale right now. My best bet would be to invest into these, declining stocks or cryptos. That way, in the next 5 years, my investment can either double, right, worth my money, instead of just having it in a savings account. I do feel like a lot of people don't take advantage of when these, times of uncertainty do happen to occur, right? Most people will just likely let their money sit on the side and just let it rot there, instead of, investing it into, whether it be in bonds, gold, stocks, crypto, right? My honest opinion would be that it would be more likely to, if you want to see a greater return on your money, it would be better off to invest into the S&P 500 or a mega cap stock that you highly believe in, or crypto that you highly believe in, right? For me, I do believe that the what's the thing called? The altcoin season could happen still this year. Who knows, right? Because a lot of people do speculate that it's supposed to happen this year, but with this all uncertainty going on, right now, it's kind of uncertain if that's still the case. So we'll see what happens, honestly. So basically right now the crypto market is down tremendously. The overall Magnificent Seven stocks are down pretty bad, honestly. So we'll have to see what goes from here. But on the weekly chart, basically SPY is below the top 3 moving averages. So this could be a sign that we will see further, maybe further downtrend from SPY. And then the VIX is literally above all of the moving averages, and it shattered above the resistance level of 29. So this could be a sign that we could see, VIX start going up even more and SPY start going down even more. So we'll see what happens. I'll update you guys to see what happens. If you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located at wordly41.gumroad.com. That's pretty much it. As always, this is not financial advice. As always, take care. Bye.